In a world where coffee is twitchy, bonds are brooding, and wheat has an identity crisis, one man ignores the chaos. He doesn't follow the herd. He doesn't trade headlines. He follows a process and trades rules, quietly, consistently, and profitably since 2008. This is As the Markets Turn, starring Dr. Fred Rouse, the real money doctor, and the only man who treats financial markets like a crossword puzzle, calmly, after dinner, and with zero emotion.
I'm Dr. Fred Rouse, the real money doctor.
It's Wednesday, the day the markets collectively stare at themselves in the mirror and say, wait, what are we doing? Let's start where all great market confusion begins. The meats. Live cattle opened the week with mild optimism, hoping grilling season would finally kick in. But instead of demand, they got diet trends, and the only thing moving was tofu. Feeder cattle had a flash of excitement on Tuesday. Then corn prices whispered something terrifying, and feeder cattle backed away slowly. Lean hogs? Still indecisive, still inconsistent, still trading like they're worried about their cholesterol. Now to the grains, where emotions run high and logic has left the building. Corn started the week on a sugar rush, soaring Monday, collapsing by Tuesday, and now pacing back and forth, muttering about weather maps. Wheat pulled a full diva move, screamed about shipping delays, fired its manager, and now insists on being traded only in French. Soybeans? Stoic, quiet, focused, probably journaling somewhere. Now for the real star of the show, the bonds. 30-year bonds are having what psychologists call an episode. They surged, dropped, surged again, and now refuse to respond to stimulus, economic or emotional. 10-year notes tried to make sense of inflation data, then spiraled into a full-blown identity crisis. Am I a safe haven? A risk asset? A yoga instructor? This is the bond identity. Everyone's confused, rates are moody, and the only person making money here is the one who doesn't care which way it moves, as long as it moves. On to the metals, where shine doesn't equal strength. Gold is playing coy, flirting with resistance levels, then ghosting traders right when they commit. Silver is still gold's anxious little brother, hovering nearby, asking for attention, but getting none. Copper rallied Monday, dipped Tuesday, and today looks like it's trying to get fired. Meanwhile, in currencies, the dollar is strutting like it owns a place, until someone reminds it about the national debt.
Say what?
The euro spent the week quietly regretting its decisions. The yen still politely declining invitations to participate in global finance. Next, financials. The VIX, Wall Street's favorite anxiety index, spiked early in the week, then promptly forgot why. Classic VIX. And finally, we arrive at the softs. Orange juice took a breath. Just one. But don't blink. It's still climbing. Sugar pulled off a midweek fakeout, down Monday, up Tuesday, and now it's hovering like a mugger in a nice neighborhood. Cocoa is melting slowly, like the hopes of someone still holding meme stocks. Coffee? Coffee is always ready to fight. If you're not caffeinated enough to handle its price swings, you probably shouldn't be here. So what's the takeaway? Simple. You don't need to understand bonds to trade them. You don't need to decipher wheat's feelings. And you sure as hell don't need to track every tick in crypto to create a real retirement. What you do need, a system. One that trades real stuff. One that runs quietly, after hours, in under 20 minutes a day. So when someone asks you, wait, you actually make money in this market? You just smile and say, yeah, I trade rules, not drama. This has been As the Markets Turn. Join us Friday for more financial theater. Same time, same sarcasm.